Welcome. My name is Dr. Elisa Jean, and we at Ayiti Community Trust are gearing up for our annual fundraising gala. Join us on October 14th at the Level 3 in Miami to experience Goute Peyi, meaning Taste My Country, a culinary tour of Ayiti. The goal? To raise funds and awareness towards our mission to support and sustain development innovation in Ayiti. The evening will feature and honor Haitian chefs and culinary ambassadors who are changing the narrative on Ayiti and amplifying the importance of Haitian culture and tradition. There are 3 ways you can support our 2023 annual fundraising gala. 1, purchase a ticket. If you enjoy tasting yummy, delicious Haitian cuisine, or live dancing, or connecting with our ACT community, then head over to our website and select a ticket that best fits the experience you would like to enjoy. 2, make a contribution. If you can't make our October 14th date, it's okay. You can head over to our website and make a donation towards our gala. The information will be placed in the description box below. 3, consider becoming a sponsor. If you own a business or are a part of an organization or are aware of organizations that are aligned with our mission, email development@ietcommunitytrust.org to get your sponsorship package details today. Thank you in advance for joining our efforts to build a sustainable Ayiti.